was in the action group and in the Egbe in those days. Erinwo Ajanaku Sun. Papa was a warrior, a courageous man. If you were going into battle, you wanted Pa Adebanjo on your side because he would never desert you. When he believed in a cause, Papa fought that cause to the end. You know, as a Christian, we had this song in church, who would through valor see, let him come hither. Who would through valor see? Papa was, he was full till the end. He was a warrior till the end. And if there's one lesson that at least I learned from him is be faithful always. Be faithful always to your cause, to people you believe in. Till the end, Papa was faithful. And he deserves all the accolades that he has got, and he deserves the rest that is gone to now. May he rest in peace. Thank you.
Respect the memory of this legendary personality, Papa Adebanjo. No question about the fact that it belongs to a generation of dogged fighters. Fighters for good governance, fighter for true federalism especially. And this country will miss him. And I pray to God Almighty that he finds peace with his Lord. Thank you.
There's nobody that we can compare with him. About Adebanjo with him in this Yoruba land. Nobody. And when there is a problem in kidnapping in Yoruba land, nobody come out and tell us that we should take care of the thing, that everything must cool down. Only Baba Adebanjo, Afenifere, chairman of Afenifere, that came out that time and called all the this Adebanjo, all these people, Agbekoya, OPC and co, that we should go inside the bush and get those kidnappers out of Yoruba land. Baba Adebanjo is a wonderful man. And during the time that they arrest, that they are looking for Sunday Igboho, only Baba Adebanjo underground that told us that it is our son, we must get him back. And Sunday is already arrested in the Kutonu. And Baba told us that Agbekoya to stand up now. If we can't stand up now, we can never stand up again. Go out and do rally for Sunday Igboho. And on behalf of Afenifere that time, and we did the meeting. And we go out and we succeed with the prayer of Baba. And that's why I say there's nobody we can compare Baba with in this Yoruba land. A lot of things Baba has done. When Baba is saying something, I don't want to mention any governor that come out and say, bring the money, we should come and give Baba money. Baba, in presence of us, Baba rejects that money. Say, take your money and go away to so state. So Baba, we miss a lot of things. And has told us that when he left Yoruba land, we need to do something. So, and Baba left now, we need to act very well. So we really thank God for the Baba, for the life that Baba lived in this world. So thank you so much for
Iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ ni iṣẹ́ ilẹ̀ wa, ẹni kò ṣiṣẹ́ á máa jalè, ìwé kíkọ
kíkọ́ àti àdá kò ì pé o, kò ì pé o. Iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ níṣẹ́ ilẹ̀ wa, ẹni kò ṣiṣẹ́ á máa jalè. Ìwé kíkọ́ láìsí ọkọ́ àti àdá kò ì pé o, kò ì pé o.
Láìsí àgbẹ̀, láìsí Yorùbá, Agbekoya gòkè.
My name is Chief Kamarudin Okike-Aremu, the President General of Agbekoya Society of Nigeria. Yeah.
Bàbá nìkan ló dúró gẹ́gẹ́ bí akíkanjú nílẹ̀ Yorùbá pé kí ìyá má jẹ Yorùbá. Àwọn tó dúró gbogbo ọkọ tó bá wọn ká kú ní kó máa sọ lẹ́yìn.